Hi guys, we will show you how to replace the blower motor in Toyota Camry. It's located behind this plastic cover, so first we'll have to remove it. To remove it you have to press inside here and pry it at the same time, then repeat the process on the rest of them. And the cover will come out. So what we did is we pressed right here. This is our blower motor right here. It's been held by 3 screws, one in the back, one on the side, and we'll have to remove this electrical connector. To remove it, press here and pull it out. To remove the screws, we'll use the Vera Tool Check Plus set. It comes with small screwdriver and we'll need Torx 25 bit. I will start with the furthest one. Again, as I said guys, because there is not much space here, we need to use small screwdriver. This one works great in this case. Now I will do the side one, located right here. And now the last one. You might want to hold it, because it will try to fall down. And now simply pull it out like this. I'll show you guys what we have inside. First of all, we have openings, airways for dual climate control, and in the middle you can see the cabin air filter. We actually have a separate video where we showed you guys how to replace it. Check out the link in the description. This is how it works. The air goes through the air filter and then it gets inside the cabin. And this is how the blower motor looks like in the Camry. It has 2 sections, again for the dual climate control. And right here guys we have the number. We will install the new one. Simply push it in all the way, make sure this outlet, air outlet aligns, and then we'll use our screws to secure it in place. And now I will reinstall the electrical connector. Now we'll install the cover. These 2 pins have to go into these openings. 1 and 2. And now guys, simply push it back in place. That's it. Our blower motor replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.